Welcome to the Dr. Izzy's Medical Podcast channel.
Question: what type of collagen is targeted by autoantibodies in Goodpasture syndrome? Answer: type 4. Question: what enzyme is absent in classic galactosemia? Answer: galactose 1-phosphate uridyltransferase. Question: which two basic amino acids are required during periods of growth? Answer: arginine, histidine. Question: what amino acid is melanin derived from? Answer: tyrosine via phenylalanine. Question: what is the key difference between hereditary orotic aciduria and the orotic aciduria secondary to ornithine transcarbamylase deficiency? Answer: OTCD does not have megaloblastic anemia. Question: how do free beta-HCG levels change in the first trimester in Patau syndrome, trisomy 13? Answer: decrease. Question: which metabolic process is the major source of energy in the fed state, just after a meal? Answer: glycolysis, aerobic respiration. Insulin after a meal stimulates the storage of lipids, proteins and glycogen. Question: which enzyme in glycolysis phosphorylates glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, the first metabolite in the pathway? Answer: hexokinase or glucokinase depending on the tissue. Question: what gonadal complications are seen in myotonic muscular dystrophy type 1? Answer: testicular atrophy. Question: which enzyme in the liver cleaves glucose 1-phosphate residues off branched glycogen until there are 4 remaining before a branch point? Answer: glycogen phosphorylase. Question: which fat-soluble vitamin is known to prevent squamous metaplasia? Answer: vitamin A. Question: which lipoprotein is formed through the degradation of very low-density lipoprotein? Answer: IDL. Question: which cell cycle checkpoint is blocked by hypophosphorylated AirBay? Answer: G12S. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of Becker muscular dystrophy? Answer: XLR. Question: which water-soluble vitamin is needed for the synthesis of histamine? Answer: vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Question: how many pyruvate molecules are made from the metabolism of one glucose molecule? Answer: 2. Question: how does regulation by glucose 6-phosphate affect hexokinase activity? Answer: inhibition. Question: which amino acids in preprocollagen are hydroxylated in the rough ER? Answer: lysine, proline. Question: what type of collagen is found in the nucleus pulposus? Answer: type 2. Question: which apolipoprotein functions to mediate chylomicron secretion? Answer: APOB48. Question: which two nucleotides are the purines? Answer: adenine, guanine. Question: what type of collagen is defective in Alport syndrome? Answer: type 4. Question: which two amino acids are necessary for the transport of ammonia from muscle and other tissue to the liver? Answer: alanine, glutamate, both are made and unmade by transaminases. Question: how does the risk of neural tube defects change following administration of supplemental maternal folic acid? Answer: decrease. Question: which fat-soluble vitamin is necessary for the activation of clotting factors 2, 7, 9, 10 and protein C and S? Answer: vitamin K. Question: which enzyme functions to cross-link staggered tropocollagen molecules into collagen fibrils through covalent lysine hydroxylysine crosslinks? Answer: lysyl oxidase. Question: what type of mutation is seen in Duchenne muscular dystrophy? Answer: frameshift mutation. Question: which cytoskeletal filament is incorporated into flagella, cilia and mitotic spindles? Answer: microtubules. Question: what is the treatment for pyruvate dehydrogenase deficiency? Answer: increased intake of ketogenic nutrients. Question: which omega-6 fatty acid is used to make arachidonic acid? Answer: linoleic acid. Question: which phase-specific cell cycle regulatory proteins activate CDKs? Answer: cyclins. Question: what does lipomide carry when it is in its activated form? Answer: acyl groups. Question: which secondary messenger is involved in the activation and inactivation of PFK2 through protein kinase A? Answer: cyclic adenosine monophosphate. Question: how does glucagon influence glycogenolysis? Answer: activation. Question: how does ethanol affect GABA action? Answer: it is GABA mimetic, hence it is additive to central nervous system depressants. Question: which enzyme involved with DNA replication catalyzes the formation of a phosphodiester bond within a strand of dsDNA? Answer: DNA ligase. Question, how do estriol levels change in the quad screen in Edwards syndrome, trisomy 18? Answer, decrease. Question, which water-soluble vitamin functions as a cofactor for many carboxylation enzymes? Answer, vitamin B7, biotin. Question, how does AMP influence glycogenolysis at muscle? Answer, activation. Question, what is the most severe type of Ehlers-Danlos syndrome? Answer, vascular type. Question, what B vitamin is folate? Answer, B9. Question, how do alpha-fetoprotein levels change in the second trimester quad screen of Down syndrome? Answer, decrease. Question, what type of collagen is deficient in the vascular type of Ehlers-Danlos syndrome? Answer, type 3. Question, which mode of genetic inheritance is often associated with pleiotropic disorders? Answer, autosomal dominant. Question, which water-soluble vitamin is a component of the flavins FAD and FMN? Answer, vitamin B2, riboflavin. Question, which enzyme involved with DNA replication is inhibited by fluoroquinolone antibiotics? Answer, DNA gyrase, prokaryotic DNA topoisomerase II. Question, which enzyme is deficient in maple syrup urine disease? Answer, branch-chain alpha-ketoacid dehydrogenase. Question, what amino acid is niacin derived from? Answer, tryptophan. Question, what is the start codon AUG code for in eukaryotes? Answer, methionine. Question, which metabolic shunt acts as a vital source of NADPH from glucose 6-phosphate? Answer, HMP shunt, pentose phosphate pathway. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of adenosine deaminase deficiency? Answer, autosomal recessive. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of phenylketonuria? Answer, AR. Question, where in the cell does acetyl coenzyme A production occur? Answer, mitochondria. Question, how does the activity of phosphofructokinase 1 in glycolysis change with fructose 2,6-bisphosphate regulation? Answer, increase. Question, which enzyme in the electron transport chain is inhibited by rotenone? Answer, complex 1, NADH dehydrogenase. Question, what type of ion channel is normally encoded by the CFTR gene, cystic fibrosis? Answer, ATP-gated CL channel. Question, in which direction does DNA polymerase III synthesize DNA? Answer, 5-3. Question, how does the activity of isocitrate dehydrogenase change in the TCA cycle with ATP regulation? Answer, decrease. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of hyperchylomicronemia, type 1 familial dyslipidemia? Answer, autosomal recessive. Question, what are the cutaneous complications seen in vitamin B7, biotin deficiency? Answer, dermatitis, alopecia. Question, what is the second most common cause of genetic intellectual disability? Answer, Fragile X syndrome. Question, which enzyme involved with de novo pyrimidine synthesis is inhibited by the antiprotozoal agent pyrimethamine? Answer, dihydrofolate reductase, in protozoa. Question, what type of mutation is the most severe? Answer, frameshift. Question, what is the life expectancy of a patient with Krabbe disease? Answer, approximately 2 years old. Question, what type of collagen is found in reticulin? Answer, type 3. Question, how does regulation by ATP affect phosphofructokinase 1 activity? Answer, inhibition. Question, which fat-soluble vitamin functions to increase intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphate? Answer, vitamin D. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of Duchenne's muscular dystrophy? Answer, XLR. Question, what type of collagen is found in the vitreous body? Answer, type 2. Question, which mode of genetic inheritance is usually seen in only one generation? Answer, autosomal recessive. Question, which organelle in fibroblasts is the site of glycosylation of prepercollagen? Answer, rough ER. Question, which structural form of chromatin is condensed? Answer, heterochromatin. Question, in which type of foods is vitamin B9, folic acid, found? Answer, leafy green vegetables. Question, which monosaccharide is added to proteins in the Golgi to allow for trafficking to lysosomes? Answer, mannose 6-phosphate. Question, which lysosomal storage disorder presents with lysosomes with onion skin? Answer, Tay-Sachs disease. Question, how does the activity of glycogen phosphorylase change in glycogenolysis with glucagon regulation? Answer, increase. Question: how do inhibin A levels change in the second trimester quad screen of Down syndrome? Answer: increase.
Thank you for listening Dr. Izzy's medical podcast series. If you want to support this project, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.